Story 12. One night I had, in the desert of Mecca, become so weak from want of sleep that I was unable to walk, and laying myself down, told the camel driver to let me alone. How far can the foot of a wretched pedestrian go when a dromedary gets distressed by its load, whilst the body of a fat man becomes lean? A weak man will be dead of exhaustion. He replied, "O brother, the sanctuary is in front of us, and brigands in the rear. If thou goest, thou wilt prosper. If thou sleepest, thou wilt die. It is pleasant to sleep under an acacia on the desert road, but alas, thou must bid farewell to life on the night of departure." And in a way, one of the things about sleeping during the day, because you don't get those super long nights in the equatorial regions, is you escape the heat. You find places for that. But you got to take the opportunity that's there when it's there. And sometimes things are okay in the current position, but you have to do something to maintain as well.